What is global warming? Global warming is a dangerous effect on our environment that we are facing these days. Rapid industrialization increase in the population growth and pollution are causing a rise in global warming. Global warming refers to the increase in the average temperature of the Earth's surface during the last century. One of the reasons why global warming is dangerous is because it disturbs the overall ecology of the planet. This results in floods, famine, cyclones, and other issues. There are many causes and results of this warming and is dangerous for the existence of life on Earth. The sign of global warming is already visible with many natural phenomena happening around globally, affecting each living species. The most evident causes of global warming are industrialization, urbanization, deforestation, sophisticated human activities. These human activities have led to an increase in the emission of the greenhouse gases, including carbon dioxide, nitrous oxide, methane, and others. Global warming occurs when carbon dioxide and other air pollutants collect in the atmosphere and absorb sunlight and solar radiation that have bounced off the Earth's surface. Normally, this radiation will escape into space, but these pollutants, which can last for years to centuries in the atmosphere, trap the heat and cause the planet to get hotter. These heat-trapping pollutants, especially carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide, water vapor, and synthetic fluorinated gases, are known as greenhouse gases, and their impact is called the greenhouse effect. Global warming is a serious issue and is not a single issue but a number of environmental issues. Global warming is a rise in the surface temperature of the Earth that has changed various life forms on the Earth. The issues that cause global warming are divided into two categories include natural and human influences of global warming. The greenhouse gases will stay in the atmosphere for many years since hundreds of years ago. However, the effect that global warming will cause on Earth are extremely serious. There are many effects that will happen in the future if global warming continues. That include polar ice caps melting, economic consequences, warmer water, and more hurricanes, spread of disease, and earthquake. Scientists agree that the Earth's rising temperature are fueling longer and hotter heat waves, more heavier rainfall, and more powerful hurricanes. The Earth's ocean temperatures are getting warmer, to which means that tropical storms can pick up more energy. In other words, global warming has the ability to turn a Category 3 storm into a more dangerous Category 4 storm. The 2020 Atlantic hurricane season included a record-breaking 30 tropical storms, 6 major hurricanes, and 13 hurricanes altogether, which increased intensity come increased damage and death. As the heat wave and floods associated with climate change become more frequent and more intense, communities suffer and deaths toll rise. If we are unable to reduce our emissions, scientists believe that climate change could lead to the death of more than 250,000 people around the globe every year and force 100 million people into poverty by 2030. Increasing temperatures will result in higher evapotranspiration, leading to reduction in water availability. This problem will be further exacerbated during the dry month. On the other hand, an increase in storm magnitude will result in an increase in the frequency and intensity of flood and therefore flood damage. The impact on coastal resources can be classified into four broad categories. The first is tidal inundation, where about 1,200 square kilometers in Peninsular Malaysia alone will be submerged after bund failure, and mangrove will be lost if sea level rise at a rate of 0.9 centimeter per year. The second is shoreline erosion, which will account for another few hundred meters of shoreline retreat. The third is increased wave action, which can affect the structural integrity of coastal facilities and installations such as power plant. The last is saline intrusion, which can pose a potential threat of water contamination at water abstraction point. Example of other impact include submerge of coral bleaching due to increasing level of carbon dioxide in the water, and depletion of fisheries resource due to loss of mangrove habitat. Now, there are solutions that we can stop global warming. However, we and our government needs to move forward to implement the global warming solution. To reduce global warming, we can do to reduce the contribution of greenhouse gases to the atmosphere. Therefore, the solution that we can reduce global warming are reducing gasoline, electricity, and our activities that cause global warming. To reduce gasoline means we have a choice to choose a hybrid car that reduces using gasoline. Besides, petrol price is increasing. If a person every day drives to work, they need to pump petrol after 3 days and cause carbon dioxide. Another way to reduce gasoline is take public transport or carpool to work. It can help reduce carbon dioxide and save costs. Another way to reduce global warming is recycling. Recycle can reduce garbage by reusing plastic bags, bottles, papers, or glass. For instance, when we buy food, we can use our own container instead of plastic bag. Another example is after finish drinking the water from the bottle, we can reuse it or use our own bottle. If all this is being used, humans can reduce deforestation and help save environment. Besides, turn off electricity is unused. It can save thousands of carbon dioxide and byproducts that have energy saving because it saves cost and saves environment. Finally, humans should stop open burning such as burning dry leaf or burning garbage. It will release carbon dioxide and toxic if burning garbage with plastic. Besides, government should reduce deforestation because the earth temperatures are increasing. Trees will help to improve the temperature on earth. Overall, I have understood that our earth is sick. We as humans need to heal the earth. Global warming have caused many problems for humans, but we as humans will make global warming happen. Many people died because of disaster or disease. It also affects the economy of the country. However, we need to be reduce the global warming by using less gasoline, recycle, and humans should help to reduce global warming instead of making the earth temperature increase. Our generation should start taking care of the earth because in the next generation they will suffer if we do not reduce global warming. Therefore, global warming is a serious issue now. We need to understand the effect of climate change that will affect us, and we can start saving the earth.